hospitals as well. Keep up the good work, and your chairman for Committee on Health and Sanitation will always be here to support you. Congratulations at mabuhay po ang lungsod